Hello and welcome to this C# Go video where we'll be looking at combining the do while loop and switch statement to produce a fairly simple but useful menu system for your applications. As we go into the loop, notice there's a console.writeLine inviting the user to enter an integer, and using console.readLine, because we're using an integer type, we have to cast our entry to an int type and we assign it to menu option. We then see a switch which uses menu option as a test case. Case 0 simply gives us a continue. Case 1, however, will give us a console.writeLine and inform the user the fact that they have in fact entered a number 1. And notice the break statement that follows. This will break us out of the loop at that point and allow us to test for 0. We can of course add even more cases, and we'll be doing this in our example. So let's see how this works. And with our Visual Studio loaded, we can start a new project. It'll be a console application, and we'll simply call it my do switch. Destination's fine. OK that. Templates generated for us. I'll just paste the code we're going to be using here and expand the window a little for us. See what's happening. We start off by declaring an integer menu option, and then we enter the do loop, and you can see it's requesting 1 to 4 or 0 to finish. We then read our value from the keyboard using console.writeLine, casting to an integer and assigning the value to menu option. Switch uses menu option as its test case. The 0 will take us out of the menu, hence we have the break. And then case 1, you entered 1, break, new iteration. Case 2, you entered 2. Case 3, you entered 3, and so on and so forth. If you go beyond the range, then it hits the default here, and it will say please only enter between 1 and 4. There'll then be a switch complete, and if there was a 0 entered, then this will be the test condition for our do while loop, and this will cause it to exit completely and it will report loop complete. Well, let's see how that goes, shall we? Build the file. That's fine. Now run it. So our screen, I'll just enter a 1. You entered 1, switch complete, back to the top of the loop. So therefore we get our user prompt once more. Try 2. There you are. Still a 0. And it leaves the menu, working as we would have expected. So you may like to make use of this for your applications, for your console applications. It's fairly straightforward. Please let us know what you find and any applications you use it for, any ideas that you have. This is C# Go saying thanks for watching, and why not give it a go. Bye for now.